All right, everybody, welcome back to MattBreaksWax. This is box 8 out of 8 on this driver's seat box break. And this is what I'm excited about, folks. Bowman 89, the comeback edition. All right, bubblegum cards, Mark McGuire. And I was just so excited when I saw this. Griffey. I was so excited when I saw this box on the marketplace posting. This is why I went. It was just for this set, really. I found everything else that I wanted there too. Top 2 off the top. Everybody knows the rules. Ernie, thanks a lot, man. This has been really fun. Ernie, you know, been a collector for a long time. I'm sure we'll be talking again soon, buddy. All right. Ooh, it looks like it's a half and half. Let me flip them. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. We'll start off strong here. Let me see what Bowman's gum tastes like. It's crunchy and not very good. Edwin Duke Snyder. So these were their, I guess, contest cards. I kind of like it. It's something to look at with the contests for the sweepstakes. Very cool. I always love vintage looking stuff. Alright, so these are the ones that have no name on the front. So if I'm not going to know who they are. Great. I'm going to say this is Nick Asaski. And I'm right. Perfect. I got to move this wax packets. I'm not going to let the cards fall well. I got to do this from... These cards look a little oversized. Were they oversized? They are a little oversized. Ron Hassey. There's Oral Hershiser, like that. That's Will Clark. Everybody knows Will. I don't know Yankees. I hated the Yankees. Al Leiter. John Cerruti. There's Ryan Sandberg. That's fantastic. Look at that. Awesome. Jeff Kunkel. Danny Tartable. Brad somebody. Hang on. Brad Duvall. Devon White. And Jimmy Jones to round out that pack. These do, just so you can see, I'm going to hold this, they are a little taller. I don't know if I like it. They're all going to be sticking out of the packs and not fit into any other cases that I have. That's fantastic, though. Let's get these out of the way and get into pack number 2. I'm so excited about these. I really hope we can get a McGuire or a Griffey or Canseco. Any big name. Alright, let's flip them. And there's the Mickey Mantle contest card. Obviously it's not a real Mickey Mantle. That'd be sweet if it was, but it's not. Might do something special with those. We'll see. We'll see how many different ones I get. Looks like Steve Farr. That's Charlie Huff, I think. Yeah. Jeff Ballard. Oh. Mike Scott. Loves You in the Office. Dale Murphy. This looks like Jose Oquendo. Who we got here? Jeff Robinson. Rick Roden. Not sure. Rich Yett. This is Todd Benzinger. Oh, that's kind of cool. the Griffeys, and a TV. Alright, so it's Ken Griffey. So it's a Ken Griffey card. And is this him watching his son? I don't know, that's kind of a crazy card. Interesting. I've never seen that. I'm going to have to look that up. But that's very cool. And Brian Harvey rounded it out. I don't know, folks. Look at that. That's kind of a cool card. The concept is there, I guess. The autograph's not, but and it's a Griffey Sr. card, even though Griffey Jr. is on it as well. I don't know. Gonna have to look at it. That's fun. Always something new when you get something new. Thank you, folks, for watching this whole series. 8 boxes from Ernie off of Facebook Marketplace. Just a great experience again. You know, I will keep doing this as long as you guys like it. Keep commenting. Let me know. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any more. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you for helping build this community. Have a fun day.